What's up, man? YouTube, man. I'm back with another one. Here in school. Yeah. It's my electric class. This is where we do all kind of electrical work at these back stations. I'm doing pretty good in this class, but I want to talk to y'all about, since I hadn't updated y'all, you know, lately about my Nova. When I took the car to the when I got it towed to the transmission shop, they took it all apart. I think y'all seen that video. It was all beat up and everything, and they couldn't use that I don't know what they call it, a core or whatever, that transmission. He didn't feel comfortable using that one because one of the bolts, you know, like what you bolt, how you bolt it on, one of those was like broke off. So they had to find another core. And yeah, due to COVID-19, it took them forever to find one. And they was waiting on parts and all this old crap. So I went by there yesterday. And had my camera with me, and it was dead, so I couldn't really show y'all what was going on. But they got the posi unit, and they working on it right now, and it should be done tomorrow, Friday. So hopefully everything works out, but I still got a lot of work to do. So I got a whole lot of content that I'm gonna be bringing to y'all. Right now, I'm just gonna share, you know, with y'all, you know, what's going on in my school, whatever, man. I'm gonna just bring y'all with me to school, start showing y'all what's going on with me in school. You know, I started this program because I had to finish my LS swap. So, you know, the car culture actually can it can be a benefit. You know what I'm saying? You can learn from it, or you can just pay people to, you know what I'm saying, do everything for you. Me, I like to learn from it. So I decided to go back to school and get my second degree. And yeah, LS swap, man, it led me back to school to get an automotive degree, which is that's a plus, man, to me. So, and I've been handy with these hands. I'm gonna take y'all with me doing labs and everything, show y'all what I do on a daily basis in class. So once the instructor comes in and give me a lab, I'll show y'all what's going on with that. And then we're going to the steering and suspension class. I'll show y'all what's going on with that. So basically, I can do all my work here to my car. So once there's plenty of content coming, man. As soon as I get the car back tomorrow, Monday, I'm on it. I got coilovers and brakes and all that stuff to add to the swap Nova. So y'all stay tuned, man. All right. Okay, YouTube, man, we finna put this car back together. I've been auto tech class. And all my classmates over here, man, we all learning together. Let's lower this down so we can put this thing back together and get it out of here. Yeah, like I was saying about my Nova, man. It should be here tomorrow, y'all, Friday. So I'm just sharing something with y'all that I be doing on a daily basis at school. Yeah, the LS swap shit basically encouraged me to go back to school and get an automotive degree. So, hey, and I learned a lot of interesting things, you know what I'm saying, with this degree. And shit, I can help myself and help others. So we're gonna put this this is Saturn, 2008 Saturn. I'll put the drive belt back on, put it all back together, and get it out of here. But I was supposed to take a water pump off, and the service manual and it's not really giving me enough information on how to take it off. So I'm gonna get rid of this one and grab another one and do some work on that. All right, you guys, I got the belt back on. See, I'm learning. Got the belt back on, and we're gonna put all this stuff on, and we're gonna get this car out of here, and we're gonna grab another car and do a lab on it. My classmate right here, Aiden.
Yep.
He gonna help me put the coilovers and all the brakes and stuff on that swap Nova, you guys. All right, so y'all stay tuned for that. If y'all here for the first time, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, because I got some hot stuff coming, man. I'm gonna be filming for car shows, everything, man. So y'all, it's free to subscribe, man. It's free, so y'all go ahead and subscribe, and we're gonna bring that footage. Where's Cole? And I broke my freaking toolbox drawer. Fooling with the lift. I gotta get another one of these. I was gonna buy a whole new toolbox, but I said, nah, I'm not gonna waste my money. I'm just gonna order one of these off of Amazon and replace it. But I had a bad day yesterday with this car, man. It just threw me all out of shape. I was gonna pull that steering pump, but it beat me, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie to you. It beat me up. But I'm waiting on my instructor so he can test, make sure I did this serpentine belt, put it on right. And then we're gonna put everything back together. Where Coleon at? Coleon! We got students over there getting it in. Yeah, man, this is what I do every day, man. I go to school and I learn everything, and I build my car myself, so it definitely helps, man. It saves me a lot of money. Definitely. All right, I'm gonna wait. Check it out.
An ability to feel confident that you can take the ASE test, and it gives us the ability to
Coleon, let the people know that I'm ASE student certified for Engine Diagnostics.
ASE, definitely are ASE certified student for Engine Diagnostics.
Watch out, y'all. I just passed my AC test, student certified for engines. So I'm on the way. So if y'all need some engine work, holla at me. All right, we got a funnel. Yep. That's a great accomplishment, man. ASE student certified. So I'm definitely learning something. So to y'all in the surrounding area, man, if y'all need a swap, man, come holler at me. And an engine diagnostic, whatever y'all need, man, I can help you out. All right, I'm gonna get back to this work over here. Y'all heard the man, I'm ASE certified. So I'm on my way to be AC certified mechanic. It's a big accomplishment for me, man. Don't have to wait on nobody to touch my vehicle no more. And I'm on my way, man. So That's it, man. So, payback. What y'all doing over here, man? Ball joints?
Yeah. There. Ball joints. I think it's got a link on the other side.
Ball joints right there. Typical day at Rock Valley College, man. What you cutting over there?
Sway bar links?
Sway? Sway what?
Sway bar links?
Oh, sway bar links, okay.
Yeah.
Let me see. Sway bar links, okay. He putting a whole new suspension on here. New ball joints, tie rod ends, and some more shit.
Just like a rash, like a star bit. For the bottom. You're supposed to do that when you're parking there. No, I'm not. No?
You do this shit at work?
Used to.
You ain't scared. You ain't scared at all, man.
Hell no.
You ain't playing, y'all. Excuse me. So you just oh, okay. You got some fire over there.
Oh shit. I gotta replace the yeah. It's just the boots replacement. Oh, it's on fire again. Still on fire. Ow.
All right, fire's gone.
Come on, don't touch it.
Hell no. Let's see it though.
You take the wool off?
Oh, it's down there. Wow, man, he torched that damn thing. Hold on, let's focus. Focus. Let's see. Oh well, it's a nut. It's a bolt.
It's gonna torch shit.
Yep.
It ain't solid if it's liquid.
Guys, my partner's supposed to be bringing in another car. Let's see what we can get done today. Okay, guys, we got a Jeep Grand Cherokee 1998. We're doing a lab. We're supposed to take off a power steering pump, drain the fluid, and take it off, put it back on. So my partner, he's just taking it off right now. Real easy on it.
gonna be able to lift that up over there like, are you gonna pour it out, huh?
That's not looking like that though.
That's what I said, just put it down, just let it drip down. Oh, we got it. Cool. Okay guys, we got that power steering pump off. Let me show y'all the lab sheet. These are the tasks and shit that we gotta do. Diagnose steering column and all that old. And then once we take it off, then the instructor will come by and he'll sign off on it. And the more we do, the more experience. So you guys get the picture. I'm gonna close this video out. Next video, man, we gonna pick that Nova up. And like I said, I got a lot of content coming on the way. And I'll be bringing the swap Nova to school to install the coilovers, Viking coilovers, tubular A-arms, and a list of other things. All right, man, y'all, peace.